If you're choosing between Webflow and Bubble, the real question isn't which tool is better, it's what you're trying to build. Both are powerful no-code platforms, but they serve different purposes. Let's break it down clearly. When to use Webflow. If your goal is to build a website that looks beautiful, professional, and optimized for visibility, Webflow is a strong choice. Webflow is ideal for businesses that want to establish an online presence quickly. Whether you're launching a one-page site to present your services, a full showcase website to explain your offers in detail, or even an e-commerce store to sell products online, Webflow is designed for that. It gives you advanced design control, clean layouts, smooth animations, and strong SEO capabilities. Designers especially love it because it allows pixel-perfect customization without writing code. So if your main goal is branding, marketing, content, and visibility, Webflow makes a lot of sense. Now, when to use Bubble. If you don't just need a website, but an interactive product, Bubble is the better fit. A website is typically a collection of pages people read or browse. A web application is different. It allows users to perform actions, log in, create accounts, send messages, upload content, book services, manage dashboards, complete tasks. That's where Bubble shines. Bubble allows you to build fully functional web applications with built-in databases, workflows, logic, and user authentication. You're not just designing pages, you're building a system. Web applications are usually more complex than traditional websites because they require dynamic content and real-time interaction, but they can create significantly more value for a business. For example, marketplaces, SaaS platforms, client portals, booking systems, internal business tools. These are projects better suited for Bubble. So, which one should you choose? Choose Webflow if you want a marketing site, portfolio, company website, blog, or online store focused on presentation and SEO. Choose Bubble if you want to build an interactive web application with user accounts, workflows, and advanced functionality. In simple terms, Webflow is design first. Bubble is functionality first. Both are excellent. The right choice depends entirely on your project goals. And if you're planning to build a web application and wondering about the budget, make sure to research development costs carefully before starting. It can save you time and surprises later. At the end of the day, the best tool is the one that matches your vision.